Welcome to the
5. Today we will resanding the paint and use the new gun and compressor. If you like to know what happened, go watch the day 4 video. I'm just trying to make it smoother, that way the paint is also feel like that. Due to the other gun, it was feeling like a little rough. I start by resanding all 3 parts, the 2 fenders and the hood again. Now I'm going to prep the paint I purchased in Mexico. That's why it says step by step and it's in Spanish. I'm going to dilute it with the thinner. We're going for a 60 to 40%, 60 paint, 40% thinner. But thanks to me in the past, we already prepped it, so we're just going to go paint.